In this video, I shall provide full reviews about timewall, an authentic way to earn money online. Hopefully, after watching this video, you will be able to start making money from this website. In this video, you will learn whether timewall is a genuine website or not. We shall explore if you can join it and find out if timewall is real or fake. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it now. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications for more videos. So let's begin our video. If you have not joined the website yet, click on the video's description and join the website. After you have completed your profile, open the website and log in your account. As I have logged into my account and you can see my account interface, I open a new tab to visit a different website, where I can analysis whether the website real or fake. And if it's real website for earning, then we will join and earn money. I also open one more website, where we can analysis the website traffic and performance analyze strategies for growing market. I clicked on the main website link and copied its URL because we want to analyze whether it's real or fake. Then, I pasted it into the Scam Advisor website, where we analyzed it in various ways. Also pasted it into the similar website, where we will analyze its traffic, performance, and analyze strategies for growing market. Let's begin the analysis on the first website called Scam Advisor. Just check its trusted score where it starts and ends. By this score, you can analyze it's worth working or not. If its score is below 50% with 2 stars, it's considered it shall be scam at least. Above 70% and with 3 stars, it's considered normal. Above 80% and with 3 stars, it's considered good. Above 90% with 4 star, it's considered best. And if its score is 100% with 5 stars, it's considered this is genuine website. For online earning, you can join it above 70% to 80% with 3 or 4 stars, because all of the world's members trust on it. You can also check here for positive comments from users all over the world who have joined this website to do work. When they receive their cash out, they leave emotional or satisfactory comments about their experience with this website. You can also check for negative comments and analyze them before joining. If there are more positive comments than negative comments, it means the website is trusted. Some negative comments might be due to users violating the website's policies. The trusted score and positive comments indicate that this website is completely worth working with. So, go ahead and join it to start earning online. I am checking out a website called timewall.io to see how popular and successful it is. This website provides information about companies, like when they were founded, how many employees they have, their headquarters, annual revenue, and the industry they belong to. However, some of this information is hidden based on the data I found. This website has a global rank of 7,471 and country, rank 2,829 in Mexico. It also holds the 17th position in its category. The total number of visits to the website from all over the world is 6.0 million. The bounce rate is 24.68%, which means that a quarter of the visitors leave the website after viewing just one page. On average, visitors spend about 14 minutes and 47 seconds on the website and view approximately 7.85 pages per visit. If you want to get more in-depth information about this website's performance and the countries it targets, you can use a tool like SimilarWeb. By analyzing the data from SimilarWeb, you can find out which countries the website gets the most visits from and how much money users are earning in their respective countries. The presence of data from top countries is an indicator that this website is genuine. With the help of these analyses, you can determine if the website is legitimate and trustworthy enough for you to join and make money from it. We are getting ready to move our real website where we can earn money. Let's begin by checking out the Survey tab. In this tab, there are various surveys available that allow us to earn money online just by participating in them. On this page, you will find a Start button that you can click to begin the survey. Also, there are some well-known survey providers listed here. They offer surveys that help you earn money, and each survey may vary in terms of the number of questions. Click here to explore offers. This is the place where you can find various offer providers like OfferToro, Ad Studios, AdGate Media, Lutably, and Farley. On the other side, you will see a list of all the available offers with a Start button. By completing these offers, you can earn points, which can be converted into United States dollars USD. Now, when I click on the Tasks tab, 3 options appear. I select View Tasks, and a new interface opens up in front of me. Here, I can find numerous tasks that I can do and submit to earn points. These points can be converted into USD, which means I can make money online. This Tasks tab is essential because it offers an endless list of tasks that I can complete daily and keep earning money. As I scroll down, more tasks are shown, and the list seems never ending. It's a great opportunity to make some extra income. Now, when I click on My Submissions, you can see the status of my submitted tasks. I use the All Status Types filter to view all my approved tasks. As I scroll down, you can see the tasks that have been rejected. Here are my rejected tasks. That means the proof I provided did not meet the instructions given by the advertiser. Here, you can only see the tasks that have been approved or rejected. You can also use the filters to view specific types of tasks, such as pending tasks, rejected tasks, tasks under dispute. Now, when I click on My Disputes, the page shows that there are currently no submissions. This means that I haven't not filed any disputes to them. When I clicked on the Clicks tab, it shows Clicks New. In this task, you will be paid to click on links from advertisers and view their web page until the timer runs out. When I click on View, a new page opens up, and a timer starts counting down until it reaches the end. When I click on the Setting tab, you can see various options to adjust my profile. These options include email, password, username, profile picture, notifications, and account data. I click on the History button, and it shows me a record of all my past activities. If you want to check your history, just select Show All, and you shall see details like websites I visited, my task list, points earned, dates, and status. As I scroll down, you can see the status of each activity, and I'm happy to say that all my tasks have been approved. This is the Withdraw tab. When I click on it, it shows that I have 574 coins available for withdrawal. I want to withdraw these 574 coins to freecash.com. Once I make the withdrawal, I shall create a video for you. This is the Inbox tab. When I click on it, I see all my unread messages. When I click on important emails or messages, it shows me the details of the messages that were sent from the website. You can find the same messages or notifications at the top right side of the page. Just click on it, and you'll see those messages or notifications again. This is the section for website profiles. If you want to access it, just click on it. You cannot share points between website profiles. Once you earn points in that profile, it stays in that profile forever, and you can only withdraw to that site. Here are the websites that are linked to your account profile. I have already created a separate video about it. If you want to watch the video, the thumbnail moving on screen. This is the Support tab, and it's very important, especially when we encounter severe problems with the website. Knowing how to use it can help us solve our issues effectively. Many people are not familiar with how it works, but it's easy to use. You just click on it, and you can chat with the staff to tell them about the problem you're facing. They'll be there to assist you and provide the necessary help. Thanks for watching.